Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. In today's video we have the VAM Rambler America Rally from 1969. It's an AMC. I know it doesn't say that, but it is. Here's some specs on the car in the back. As you can see, it has like 3 gear shifts, 3.8 cubic inches. I think that's cubic inches, I'm not fully sure. 6 cylinders. Rear-wheel drive, I'm guessing. 6.1 liters on 100 kilometers. Max speed is 170. I'm guessing made from 63 till 69. Not sure what that is. Actually forgot already what is the manufacturer. I think this is DiAgostini again. I might be wrong. It will be visible in the name of the video. So let's get into this. Let's get it out and off the base. So it does look very good with this color that it comes in. Purchased this guy off of Vinted for very cheap, so personally didn't notice any issues with it, so I'm hoping that everything is fine as we're looking at it. Like I said, the color is very nice. It's a very boxy car. Do like the wheels, plastic base. Ooh, we have a wonky tire, which is easily fixable. Sort of easily. Looks like it has like a hubcap or something. Yeah, no, it's mostly fine. No issues big there. We have nice like lensed headlights, separately casted like bumper. Looks like the grille is a separate piece. We have windshield wipers, a mirror. Okay, the handles are painted. Okay, the backlights are a bit crooked, but probably that's why it was cheaper. But I'm not an issue for me. Not gonna notice it all that much. Black interior, so can't really show it. It's all closed. The base is very simple. Not as simple as one of the other Jeep models I have opened, but this one has more detail to it. But overall, I don't care what's going on the base. I more care what's going on the top. And as you can see, it is a very nice model. Actually a very unique one, because I didn't know about this car's existence before this video. I mean, before I got it. So I saw it, it spoke to me, I bought it, came in, and I was like, okay, what is this thing actually? And then I looked it up. Yeah, they did exist, it's just that they were so rare. I have never seen these before. As you can see, it rolls also super well. So there you have it, a quick video on the VAM Rambler, AMC VAM Rambler, VAM Rambler. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.